Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to get more followers on Instagram. But first, there are a few tips to remember. Number one, always try to grow your following organically wherever you are, whatever platform you're on. You need to always target gaining followers organically. Number two, using this particular method or any other method to gain followers on any platform, it's going to result in less engagement. Number three, do not go overboard with this method or else Instagram will block your account for 24 hours. So let's get started. Now you want to head over to Facebook and you want to type in Instagram or Instagram followers. You're just going to select groups and you're going to see all of the following groups that you can join to start getting followers on Instagram. Now what you want to look for are groups that are active, because you do not want to join groups that no one is posting in and they're just going to be ghosts. So anyway, like you see this one has 10 posts a day and 25 unread posts. I have because I'm a member of this group. And yeah, so you want to go ahead and join all of these groups. Now what I want you to do is you want to join groups that are specifically made for bloggers, because some of these groups are going to be people from Africa and Asia and stuff like that, and they're just gonna follow you to gain followers and then they're gonna unfollow you. Now you don't want that. You want people who are in it to win it. They want to get followers, they want to engage, they want to grow their accounts. So you want to look for groups like, okay, this one, it's Instagram Fabulous. I'm a member of this group. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one is Instagram Fabulous. As you can see here, they put out threads every single day, and you can join these threads by just adding in, commenting with your Instagram URL, and you want to follow all of the people above you. There are usually rules on how many people you can follow in each thread, but sometimes it is all or nothing. These threads, they tell you that you're gonna have to follow everyone in the thread, and everyone, they're gonna have to follow you back. So if you're gonna be using this method, you can get up to 500 followers per day using this particular method. Now, yeah, you want to be careful and don't do it all in one go, because Instagram is gonna notice that something suspicious is going on. So you got to be careful, and like, okay, if the thread has about 1K or 500 people in it, you want to space that in and leave like an hour in between when you're following 200 to 300 to 500 people. You want to space that in. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm talking about. So the next one we're going to be talking about is, I actually have a post on this, on how you can get Instagram followers really fast in the groups that you can use. Anyway, now the problem with gaining these followers, they're not going to engage with your content. So you want to go back to Facebook and you want to join groups like Comment for Comment, Instagram Comment Pods, Instagram Like and Comment, like this one is Instagram Like and Comment. So you're not going to get followers from this group. You're going to get likes and comments. This is what you want as engagement on your profile on Instagram. So you want to join the Instagram Likes and Comments also, because you want to get engagement on your profile. So this is a cool group. It's called Boss Girl Bloggers Instagram Pod, and these are serious people. These are bloggers and they're serious people, and when they follow you, they're not gonna unfollow you, because they know that if they do unfollow you, you're gonna unfollow them back. So last but not least, there is this free app that you can use, and it's called Follow Cop, and that's what I use. You just go ahead and download it from the App Store, and it's free. You can unfollow 200 people every 2 hours. So you can go ahead and use that and unfollow people who are not following you back. So this is how you can go ahead and gain Instagram followers as fast as you want. And I show you guys everything in here. So yeah, I'm gonna be creating other videos on how to get YouTube views, YouTube subscribers, and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have some videos requests, please leave them below and I'm gonna create them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching.